It's almost like therapy, like I talked about when we were talking about the fear. It's like facing the fear and coming back here helps me, you know that I'm being watched, but not allowing it to ruin my day or affect, or, kind of hone the skill of knowing they're around, but squirrel bear. Getting towards October, the bear will get really active about October. And we got a lot of hickory nuts, walnuts, beech nuts, and squirrels. So there'll be a lot of noises today. But anyway, I mean, it's kind of like, in a way, I guess it's my own type of therapy. And I've always found it interesting.